Once upon a time, in a bustling town surrounded by emerald fields, there existed a peculiar garden known as the Curious Clockwork Garden. This magical place was unlike any other, filled with mechanical wonders and whimsical creatures that thrived in perfect harmony. At the heart of the garden stood a magnificent clockwork tree, adorned with gears, cogs, and delicate springs. Legend had it that this tree was the keeper of time and the guardian of the garden's enchanted machinery. In this town lived a curious girl named Ada. Ada had a fascination with all things mechanical, and her eyes sparkled with the curiosity of a young inventor. One day, as she explored the outskirts of the town, she stumbled upon the hidden entrance to the Curious Clockwork Garden. Upon entering, Ada was greeted by the Tick-Tock Birds, mechanical birds with wings that moved in synchronized harmony, creating the sweetest melodies. Intrigued, Ada followed the winding paths, discovering the Whirlybugs, tiny, flying contraptions that pollinated the clockwork flowers, causing them to bloom in a spectrum of vibrant colors. As Ada ventured deeper, she encountered the Gearsy Gophers, small creatures with winding keys on their backs. These gophers were responsible for keeping the garden's mechanisms in perfect order, ensuring that everything operated like clockwork. At the heart of the garden, Ada discovered the Grand Gearwheel, an enormous contraption that turned with rhythmic precision, powering the entire clockwork garden. It was said that the Grand Gearwheel held the key to unlocking the garden's most magical secrets. With a sense of determination, Ada tinkered with the Grand Gearwheel, adjusting its cogs and springs until, suddenly, the entire garden came to life with a symphony of mechanical sounds. The Tick-Tock Birds chirped with newfound vigor, the Whirlybugs whirred with delight, and the Gearsy Gophers danced in jubilation. Word of Ada's tinkering spread throughout the town, and soon, the residents flocked to witness the marvels of the Curious Clockwork Garden. Families strolled through the pathways, marveling at the synchronized wonders, and children giggled as they chased after the Whirlybugs. As night fell, Ada noticed a subtle change in the garden. The clockwork fireflies emerged, their gears glowing softly in the moonlight, creating a magical display that illuminated the entire garden. The residents and Ada gathered around the clockwork tree, and together, they marveled at the beauty that unfolded before their eyes. From that day forward, the Curious Clockwork Garden became a beloved haven for the townspeople. Ada, now hailed as the honorary mechanic of the garden, continued to explore its depths, unlocking new wonders and ensuring that the gears of harmony never ceased to turn. And so, the tale of Ada and the Curious Clockwork Garden became a cherished story, reminding everyone that curiosity and tinkering could lead to extraordinary discoveries, and that even in a world of mechanical marvels, the magic of unity and wonder remained the most precious gear of all.